I became involved in Betar because when I was about 14, there was a dance, a social being held at our synagogue. My mother heard about it, go. Nice Jewish kids, go. One of the nice Jewish kids was a boy named Meir Kahane, who became Meir Kahane later. Betar was a Israeli-oriented, well, not so much. It was founded by Jabotinsky, who believed Jews should fight for what they want. After I was married and an adult, I met again Meir Kahane, who then became Meir Kahane from the JDL. JDL, Jewish Defense League. He spoke at our synagogue. He came over, he sort of remembered me. We got to talking. My husband became very interested in the work that he was doing. He came that night to it. It was just before Passover. Easter and Passover were coinciding. And he asked for volunteers to come and guard some synagogues in a section of New York where there was a lot of anti-Semitism. My husband and my sons volunteered. They were very impressed by Rabbi Kahane. If you heard him speak, he can jump anyone. We kept up a friendship with him. We've been arrested in his protests. We worked very much to get the Jews out of Russia. That was our main theory. And we had sat in protests. We've been arrested because I took a pocketbook and hit a cop over the head because he took a baton and was hitting a boy. The police came out at that time with tapes over their numbers and names. We kept friends with Rabbi Kahane until he changed focus and became very militaristic. There were things he said, we contributed to him, but he was killed in Israel, that. And he kept saying to us, when are you going to settle in Israel? When are you going to settle in Israel? And we said, we can't now. It was a good friendship until he went off the deep, what we felt going off the deep end. And unfortunately, he, his son, his wife, grandchild were all killed. And we took that very hard.